Hello, student. Good morning. How are you? I hope that you are quite well. Okay. And yesterday is Sunday. It is yesterday Sunday. So you have enjoyed. Okay. And now here we discuss about the chapter atomic structure. Okay. Here we discuss about the atomic structure. So here the topic is. Yeah, in previous video we discussed the topic valency, positive valency, negative valency. But here we discuss about the topic from your book variable valency. Valency, variable valency. Clear? Variable valency. Is it clear, student? Okay. Some element shows more than one valency is called variable valency. Okay, some element shows the more than one valency is called variable valency. Simply, copper shows two valency 1 and 2. Okay, iron shows two valency 2 and 3. Okay, here Cu shows one valency and 1 and 2. Cu shows 1 and 2 valency here. Okay, and Fe iron shows 2 and 3 valency. Is it clear, student? I mean to say that the copper shows 1 valency as well as 2 valency here, and iron shows 2 valency. Iron valency is 2 as well as 3, so it shows in different times in different valency, just as to 1 or 2 or 2. So the valency, so the elements which shows the more than one valency is called variable valency. Okay, clear? The character of a some elements that shows the more than one valency is called variable valency. Clear? Here copper copper shows two valency, so its lower valency is 1 and higher valency is 2. The element shows the lower shows the less number of valency is called lower valency, and shows higher valency is called uh, higher valency now. And so we represent the lower valency and higher valency, how it is in what which patterns. So here I have to, so here Cu copper, Cuper copper, spelling is Cuper copper. Here this is from your table. Iron, copper, carbon, oxygen, fluorine, etc. here. Okay, here is the copper. Cuprum, it's the name of cuprum, it's Cu is copper, Copper. But I was saying that cuprous here, cuprous, because the two here it shows two valency. First is Cu shows two valency, first and second. Okay, so those elements which shows those elements copper, it means that copper shows one valency, its name is cuprous. And this is cupric. Okay, but its simple name is copper, Copper. But here we discuss about the, according to this valency, cuprous. Cuprum is a Latin name of copper, so here it added with us, ous suffix. This is suffix Cup plus Cupr plus ous. OUS add in lower valency. So this is called cuprous. CUPROUS. Okay, so the us suffix in lower valency names and ic. CUPR plus IC. Cupric plus IC. Cupric shows those elements which shows higher valency is cupric. Add suffix ic, IC. So we have to add us in lower valency and ic in higher valency here. Is it clear, student? This is the same way. Iron, ferrous and ferric. Ferrous and ferric. Okay, according to your book, this is suffix. Clear? 2 is known as suffix and this is ferrous and ferric here. Clear, student? So here we discuss about the valency of ferrous having Fe shows 2 valency is called ferrous and Fe shows 3 valency is called ferric. Okay, is it clear? So you have to add suffix OUS in lower valency and IC in higher valency of the elements. Is it clear? Thank you, student. And next video we discuss about next topic, valency calculations from your book, according to your book. Thank you.